Signs of true purification through remorse are seeing the Buddha come, rub his hand on the crown of one's head, and lights radiating out, and seeing flowers, and so on. In other sutras it is also said that if you see lotus flowers in dreams, your aim has been accomplished, from the Liberation Sutra. The dream signs of having purified negative actions are wanting to cross an enormous river and then going over a bridge, being washed, and rain falling on your body. These are all signs of complete purification. Joining and sitting in a row of many ordained saṅgha members, and entering a stūpa or temple, and seeing all the images of the Buddhas and bodhisattvas are signs of following in the footsteps of the Buddha and Dharma. If you dream of finding fruit and eating it, you actualize the accomplishment of the fruits of excellent qualities in this life.